Accuracy matters in maths, and everyone makes mistakes sometimes. That is why we use estimation. Estimation is a quick way to check your work and catch big errors before they cause problems. Think of it as a safety check for your answers. Today, we are learning how to use estimation and inverse operations to make sure our addition and subtraction answers make sense. An estimate is a fast, about answer. It is not exact and it does not need written working. You do it in your head, usually in just a few seconds. The goal is not perfection. The goal is to decide whether an answer is reasonable. Before you even calculate, pause and do what we call the reasonable test. Look at the numbers and ask, about how big should the answer be? This expected size is called the ballpark. For example, if you see 4,123 plus 2,988, you can round them to 4,000 and 3,000. 4,000 plus 3,000 is about 7,000, so your exact answer should be close to 7,000. If your final answer is 500 or 70,000, something has gone wrong. The same idea works for subtraction. 8,921 minus 3,105 can be rounded to 9,000 minus 3,000, which is about 6,000. That tells you what to expect before you calculate. Rounding is the main tool we use to estimate. When rounding, always name the place value you are rounding to. To round to the nearest 10, look at the ones digit. 0 to 4 rounds down, 5 to 9 rounds up. 248 rounds to 250. 391 rounds to 390. To round to the nearest 100, look at the tens digit. 1,248 rounds to 1,200, while 3,752 rounds to 3,800. For the nearest 1,000, look at the hundreds digit. Choosing how much to round depends on what you need. Rounding to the nearest 1,000 is fast and rough. Rounding to the nearest 100 gives a closer check. Rounding to the nearest 10 is even more precise. Bigger rounding is faster. Smaller rounding is closer. After you calculate exactly, compare your answer to the estimate. If your exact answer is close to the estimate, it is probably correct. If it is far away, stop and check again. For example, if your estimate is 4,000 and your answer is 4,052, that makes sense. But if a student says 4,123 plus 1,988 equals 5,111, estimation shows the mistake. 4,000 plus 2,000 is about 6,000, so 5,111 is way too small. Estimation tells you if an answer seems right. Inverse operations can prove it. An inverse operation means doing the maths backwards. The inverse of subtraction is addition, and the inverse of addition is subtraction. Suppose you calculate 5,000 minus 1,250 equals 3,750. To check, add the answer to the number you subtracted. 3,750 plus 1,250 equals 5,000. Because you get back to the starting number, the subtraction is correct. You can also check addition using subtraction. If 3,460 plus 2,500 equals 5,960, subtract one addend from the total. 5,960 minus 2,500 equals 3,460, so the addition works. The key ideas to remember are simple. Estimate first to know the ballpark. Use rounding to make estimating quick. If your answer is very different from your estimate, recheck. Always use addition to check subtraction. Estimation does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be fast and sensible so you can be confident your maths make sense.